Calvin Cordo's Arbrodus Jr., born October 20th, 1971, known professionally as Snoop Dogg, is an American rapper, singer, record producer, and actor. Rooted in West Coast hip-hop, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest and most influential rappers of all time. His accolades include an American Music Award, a Primetime Emmy Award, 2 Sports Emmy Awards, and 17 Grammy Award nominations. Known for his signature drawled lyrics, which often use melodic rhyming, repetition, wordplay, laconic phrases, syncopation, and alliteration, his music often addresses the lifestyle and culture of the West Coast and social issues such as gun violence and stability for the youth. His initial fame dates back to 1990 to following his guest appearance on Dr. Dre's debut solo single, Deep Cover, and later on Dre's debut album, The Chronic, that same year, including Nothing But a G-Thang. Snoop Dogg has since sold over 23 million albums in the United States and 35 million albums worldwide. Produced entirely by Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg's debut studio album, Doggy Style 1993, was released by Death Row Records and debuted atop the Billboard 200, selling 806,000 copies in its first week. The album received quadruple platinum certification by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, the following year and spawned the Billboard Hot 100 Top 10 singles What's My Name and Gin and Juice. He was the lead performer on Death Row's soundtrack album for the 1990 For Short Film Murder Was the Case, wherein Snoop Dogg made his acting debut. He has since appeared in other films and popular media. His second album, The Dogg Father 1996, also debuted atop the Billboard 200 and received double platinum certification. In 1998, he parted ways with Death Row in favor of Master P's No Limit Records, through which he saw largely continued success with his albums Dogging, Is to Be Sold, Not to Be Told 1998, No Limit Top Dog 1999, and The Last Meal 2000. He then signed with Priority, Capitol, and EMI Records to release his 6th album, Paid the Cost to Be Da Boss, which was further commercially oriented. This effectively continued upon him signing with Geffen Records to release his next 3 albums, Rhythm and Gangsta, The Masterpiece, The Blue Carpet Treatment, and Ego Trippin'. The former spawned the single Drop It Like It's Hot, which became his first to peak atop the Billboard Hot 100. He then returned to Priority and Capitol upon his hiring as chairman of the former label to release his 10th and 11th albums, Malice on Wonderland 2009 and Documentary 2011, both of which saw mild critical and commercial response. In 2012, Following a trip to Jamaica, Snoop Dogg converted to Rastafari and adopted the alias Snoop Lion, under which he released a reggae album, Reincarnated, and a namesake documentary film about his Jamaican experience. His 13th studio album, Bush, was produced entirely by frequent collaborator Pharrell. His 14th studio album, Kool-Aid, was released in 2016. In 2018, Snoop Dogg became a born-again Christian and released his first gospel album, Bible of Love, in March of that year. Also that year, Snoop Dogg was awarded a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. In 2022, he acquired Death Row Records from NN Arcane Music Group. Personal life, Snoop Dogg married his high school sweetheart, Shant Taylor, on June 14, 1997. Shanty's brother Jermaine died in 2002 after a standoff with Las Vegas police, during which Snoop Dogg unsuccessfully attempted to reason with him to surrender. On May 21, 2004, he filed for divorce from Taylor, citing irreconcilable differences. However, the couple renewed vows on January 12, 2008. They have 3 children together, sons Cord and Cordell, who quit football to pursue a career as a filmmaker, and daughter Corey. Snoop Dogg also has a son from a relationship with Lori Hallman, Julian Corey Brodus. He is the first cousin of AEW professional wrestler Mercedes Moné, as well as the fellow 213-member Nathaniel Hale, known professionally as Nate Dogg, who died of congestive heart failure on March 15, 2011. Snoop Dogg became a grandfather as his eldest son, Cord Brodus, had a son with his girlfriend, Jessica Kaiser. Cord had another son who died on September 25, 2019, 10 days after birth. As of 2025, he has 7 grandchildren. Snoop Dogg claimed in a 2006 interview with Rolling Stone magazine that unlike other hip-hop artists who had superficially adopted the pimp persona, he was an actual professional pimp in 2003 and 2004, saying, "That shit was my natural calling, and once I got involved with it, it became fun. It was like shooting layups for me. I was macking them every time." In 2012, Snoop Dogg endorsed Congressman Ron Paul in the Republican presidential primary, but later said he would vote for Barack Obama in the general election, and on Instagram gave 10 reasons to vote for Obama, including he a black nigga, he's BFFs with Jay-Z, and Michelle got a fat ass. And 10 reasons not to vote for Mitt Romney, including he a white nigga, that motherfucker's name is Mitt, and he a hoe. In a 2013 interview with the Huffington Post, Snoop Dogg advocated for same-sex marriage, saying, "People can do what they want and as they please." In his keynote address at the 2015 South by Southwest Music Festival, he blamed Los Angeles' explosion of gang violence in the 1980s on the economic policies of Ronald Reagan and insinuated that his administration shipped guns and drugs into the area. He endorsed presidential candidate Hillary Clinton on Bravo's Watch What Happens Live in May 2015, saying, "I would love to see a woman in office because I feel like we're at that stage in life to where we need a perspective other than the male's train of thought. And just to have a woman speaking from a global perspective as far as representing America, I'd love to see that, so I'll be voting for Mrs. Clinton." Snoop Dogg advocates for the defunding of police departments, saying, "We need to start taking that money out of their pocket and put it back into our communities where we can police ourselves." Snoop Dogg has consistently expressed his support for tighter gun control. In 2013, then known as Snoop Lion, he told HuffPost Live, "Politicians, you all got to pay attention. Man, this world that we live in, it's so easy to get your hands on a gun. You've got to put some restrictions or ramifications on it. I can go outside right now and buy a gun. Easy. Just like that." Additionally, he released a song called No Guns Allowed featuring Drake and Corey B in 2013. In 2020, Snoop Dogg endorsed former Vice President Joe Biden for President of the United States. In contrast, in 2024, he said that he had nothing but love and respect for Donald Trump. Snoop Dogg had previously in 2017 released a video showing a mock execution of Trump in a clown costume. In January 2025, he, alongside Soulja Boy and Rick Ross, performed at a Trump-sponsored cryptocurrency event preceding Trump's second inauguration. Cannabis use. Since the start of his career, Snoop Dogg has been an avowed cannabis smoker, making it one of the trademarks of his image. In 2002, he announced he was giving up cannabis for good. This did not last long, and in 2013, he claimed to be smoking approximately 80 cannabis blunts a day. He has been certified for medical cannabis in California to treat migraines since at least 2007. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.